Hello friends, this is Gloria Miller
and Gianna,
and we're here because we are excited to tell you a little bit about our next client giveaway. So as you guys know, we love to give things away.
It's our absolute favorite.
And what a better time than 4th of July, right? So you guys are going to be getting a card from us in the mail, but we thought that instead of just sending a card, which is boring, maybe we make it more exciting and more interactive for you guys. So we came up with a game that everyone in our client list, which is a big list now, is actually going to be getting a playing card. Now this playing card is your entrance into a random drawing for $25, a $25 gift card. Now there's going to be 3 random winners that are coming from this. Now there are 2 things you have to do in order to win a prize, your card. First of all, there's a QR code right here that Gianna is showing you, and that is to give us a review for the service that we've provided you, or even if we would just been a resource for you if we're business partners. All right, so feel free to submit a review. All you have to do is once you submit the review, put a picture on Facebook on our page, or even if you don't feel comfortable putting a picture on Facebook, send it to us through Messenger. That's all we need. Of course, once we have that, you will be submitted into the random drawing. Now, there are going to be 3 very lucky automatic winners.
And they're going to be able to get a joker from their card. And what that does is that makes you an automatic winner. But you still have to do the same thing you would do with a normal card. You have to submit a review and with a picture of your card, and you automatically win the $25.
So you guys don't think that we are gonna be biased, because we were accused of being biased once, and we know we don't like that. So we're going to go ahead and pick the winner out of this stack randomly. Gianna's here to be my witness and to pick out the people.
Promise.
So
I'm not crossing anything, not even my toes.
All right, Gianna. So here we are.
I'll pick this one. Not because it's in the because I have a lucky feeling. Okay.
Wow.
That's a good winner.
Mm-hmm. All of them are good winners, but we can only pick 3, so. Okay, nice.
Cool.
Yeah, both of these have been local. You want to pick one from the top?
Yeah, right here.
All of them local this time.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you so much for being a part of our business. Without you, none of this would be possible. We are so grateful for your support, and we wish you a happy 4th of July, and can't wait to see all of your pictures.
Yeah.
All right. This is Gloria Miller.
And Gianna.
Happy 4th of July, guys.